सच का सामना करने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ।
Microdramas are the new Maggie noodles of entertainment. 2 minutes, full masala, zero logic, and somehow you still want more.
Another one.
Every night begins with that fake promise. Just one last reel. But before you know it, you've already seen a wedding, a secret twin reveal, a reincarnated gangster, and a betrayal everyone saw coming. All in under 5 swipes.
I mean, what the hell is this?
These bite-sized shows are TV soaps on steroids. What your dadi watched in 500 episodes, Gen Z now wraps up before they can skip a YouTube ad. Dulhan turns out to be the real Khuni. Hero rises from the dead. And that villainous auntie that ruined weddings by raising her eyebrows, basically it's Saas Bahu ka drama that hits you with a dopamine kick every 10 seconds. And it's not just in India. China industrialized this entire thing, turning microdramas into a multi-billion-dollar factory of vertical storytelling. France, Ukraine, even Hollywood are now catching on. Because honestly, who has the patience for 40-minute shows with Emmy-winning actors anymore? India was built for this. We are a nation powered by gossip and group chats. We forward family WhatsApps with more twists than Game of Thrones. So naturally, microdramas fit us like paneer and butter masala. And the numbers prove it. The Indian microdrama market is already valued between $400 to $500 million, and it could hit a whopping $10 billion by 2030. Over 80% of the content is homegrown. Because let's be real, only Indian writers can make मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ turn into ये बच्चा तुम्हारा नहीं है in under 90 seconds. They have learned how to exploit our attention spans. Platforms like Moj and Quick TV alone see over 15 crore episodes watched daily. That's more binging than half of Netflix India on a good weekend. And the average viewer spends 30 to 40 minutes a day watching these mini sagas, which basically means 20 plot twists before breakfast. So, how do they make profits? Money flow in from ads, tiny subscriptions, and product placements that steal more scenes than the actor hero paused mid-fight to sip a cola. Even advertisers are waking up to the format. Lower CPMs, cheaper production, and way higher engagement. What used to be a test format is now a full-blown content goldmine. Sure, sometimes it's over the top. You cringe harder than Ananya Pandey explaining struggle.
It's bad, real bad.
But that's the point. It's meant to be loud, fast, and extremely chaotic. Because prime time is dead. Microdramas are the perfect recipe for a drama-hungry nation. So the next time someone says, "Bas ek aur reel," they've already signed up for season 1, 2, and 3 of world's newest obsession. This was an episode of Deep Dive by CSeed. If you like such content, follow along for more.